Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I am going to show you a great way to elevate your presentations and keep your audience engaged. Follow along in this tutorial and stick around to the end of the video to see all our tips that you can use to master your presentations. And if this video is helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So to get this awesome slideshow done, here is the step-by-step guide that you need. So first of all, we are going to head over to the Insert tab at the top of our ribbon. I'm going to click there and we're going to insert a picture. So from here you can select where this is coming from. I'm going to select from this device and I'm going to insert our picture that we want to use for this slideshow. So once you've done that, you are going to copy and paste this picture and you're going to set this picture over one another. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So we've got our two pictures layered on top of each other at this stage, and for the reason for this is we are going to blur out our top layered picture, and in this way we can get that blend that we want to. So you're going to right click on your picture and we're going to head over to the format picture section, and from here in the effects section on the right side of your screen we are going to head over to artistic effects and we are going to select this blur effect that you can see here. From there this radius will pop up here and we are going to set this to 80. So this just blurs the picture a bit more. As you can see what's happening with the picture, it actually blurred a little bit more. And once you've done that, we are going to head to the top with the picture section. We're going to click there and we are going to the picture corrections section here. And from this, we are going to lower our brightness. So this will be standard, it will be 0%. We are going to lower the brightness to minus 20%. You can do a little bit more if you would like. You can do 30. But let's do 30 for say. And you can see the brightness of this blurred picture just isn't that sharp as it was at the start. So once you've done that, you can close this and you've got your blurred picture here. You can see this picture isn't exactly the same size. Let's just get it on top of that one. There you go. So you can see this blurred picture here now, and you can see it's a lot darker. And from here, you're going to select this picture. You don't want to drag this over. Let's for say do this, and you can see now our mountain in the background and our elephants in the foreground have all been shrunk together, and you can actually see the effects of this, and it isn't that great of a blend. So you're going to right click on this and we're going to crop the picture. So from here you're going to crop out the section that you don't want. You can do either side. You can take it to this side. You can take it from the top to bottom. It doesn't really matter. For this instance, we're just going to crop out to this side, and once we have done that, you can see this blend between our background photo showing the real image and our blurred picture that is much darker. And this will help you with your text so that your text stands out more in your slideshow, and that this blurred picture doesn't overpower this with its brightness. So that's why we lowered the brightness in this this photo over here to get that effect. So once you've done that, the hard work is sort of complete. From here you're going to the Insert tab and we are going to insert a text box. You can do this anywhere. Let's type out text that you want and we can just get our size and everything correct. You can do this. Let's do our font. So I'm going to try and change my font color here to white, and then once again you can add another text box wherever you would like, and we can just add some text there, and just again just going to change the size and the font color and everything. And this is our basic blueprint for our slide. You can duplicate the slide to insert your text and get everything done from there. But we are not finished from here. So on the left hand side you can see your slideshow here, and I'm going to right click there and I'm going to duplicate the slide. So from the top slide, we're working on slide 1 now. I am just going to drag over this out of the picture. You can see I'm dragging it out of our slideshow, and I'm going to do the same for the text. Each text box that we've dragged over, I'm just going to place it on this side. And the reason for this is to get that transition that is going to look great in our slideshow. So as you can see, our slide is blank now, and it's just this amazing photo that we want to display in our first slide. You can do this the wrong way around. It doesn't really matter. You can play around with your PowerPoint, but to do this effect, I'll show you how this works. So from here, you are going to go over to the transitions section at the top of your ribbon and click there, and we are going to select all of our slides. We've only got 2 slides, but that's all we need to show you now. So we're going to select our 2 slides, and we're going to use the morph transition. So from there, you'll see this text and the blurred image slide across your screen, giving your presentation this amazing look. So I hope that you can use this tip in the future, and I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, remember to like this video and leave a comment down below for what kind of videos you want to see in the future from us, and what kind of PowerPoint tips you have to share with us. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, cheers.